Hey guys, so you guys just saw me do my eyebrows. Had a little difficulty with that. I mean, you could always fix it up with concealer. I think they're all right now. Your eyebrows are never going to be completely perfect, the same size. Always one has a better arch than the other. I mean, I don't know. I like my left one better than my right one, but whatever. So, I'm using James Charles palette. This is an amazing palette, very pigmented. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. I figured like I'll slow this one down with me speaking because a lot of people have difficulties doing eyes. I'm just gonna wing it. I'm not perfect. I just don't wake up and practice makeup all the time. I just like makeup, so like when I do these videos, I just sit down and I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna do a green look today, because that's what I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna do a green look. I just bought this L'Oreal Infallible Paints eyeliner, and I'm like, oh, this would be great with a green look, so I'm gonna do a green look. So I'm just gonna go in with a beige. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's right there. So I'm just gonna take that beige and put it on my eye. So we got this on the eye. I honestly don't know what I'm gonna do next, but I'm assuming, I don't know, maybe, let's see. I got that blended in. I'm gonna go in with like a lighter green with the same brush, because I mean it's a brighter green, so you don't need to like wipe your brush unless it's a dark color. So like this green right here, oh, right there, and I'm gonna go tap into this color and then this color later on. See, I kind of know what I'm doing, so I'm just gonna put it right there. And then I think I'm gonna do a cut crease. For those of you who don't know what a cut crease is, you take the concealer, the same one I use for my eyebrows, the Tarte shape, tape shape, whatever the heck it's called, and I'm just gonna like put it on, and you like on your lid, and it like disappears. All right, so you swirl your shape tape around. I put it on my hand because it's better to dip the brush in. I don't know how other people do it. It's whatever. So you take it, put it on your brush, and we're gonna go like this. Put it on the eye. Try to get a perfect like shape of your crease. Oh, okay. No, I'm not gonna put it all the way to the end. I could just lightly blend it out. All right, I need more shape tape. So off. I don't mean to curse, but sometimes when you're doing makeup, you gotta curse. All right, I guess the next eye. Oh. All right, boom. All right, that's as far as I'm gonna go. And I'm gonna take, I don't know, it was a fancy brush. I bought it off of somebody. I'm gonna take the dark green. It's on the Morphe palette. Right there. And I'm gonna go into the corner. And I don't know, for some reason I like doing this diagonal effect. because I want to take the sparkly green and put it on the inside. And I'm going to do it to this side. I don't know why, but I like that V look for some reason. So you're just blending this at the end because I kind of don't want no harsh lines. I'm just doing like a flicking motion with a little swirly motion. And literally this is like the first time I'm creating this. Like, and I'm just gonna bring it back. Like, go back, don't go into the crease, just swipe down. Yeah. So I'm gonna go into this sparkly one right here. Well, it's like sparkly, I don't know if you guys can see it, but we're gonna go into it and go right here like so. All right, I like it. I like it. All right, I'm gonna take this eyeliner, the L'Oreal Infallible one, and this is hard because I can never get these eyeliners. So I'm gonna start like right over my eye, like right here. This is all right. Maybe because I got it on clearance for $4 at Walmart, and it's not as juicy, not juicy, but not as liquidy as I would have liked it. All right. How does that look? All right. Let's attempt to do this other eye. Fix this. All right. I'm not gonna try to keep going over it because I do have OCD, guys, and then the next thing you know, your eyeliner's up here, like on your forehead. I'm not gonna try. I'm trying to keep the video short. All right, I did want to go over it with like a gold eyeliner. It's from She. I don't know, I bought it off of somebody on the makeup website. All right, so I wanted to, I don't know, hopefully I don't mess up, but here we go. All right, I'm gonna do the other side. So I'm gonna just take this type of brush, I don't know what it's called, looks like a smudge brush, and I'm just gonna take that dark green, well, it's not dark, but this one, and I'm just gonna rub it underneath my lash line like this. Alright, that works. Alright, I'm gonna take this mascara. It's called Kush Mascara. It's cool. And then I'll put on my lashes at the end, so you guys could see the final look. But I'm gonna speed up the foundation application, the contour, because that is like I'm not saying it's easy either, but it definitely is easier than doing this crap. Look at this. Why have you forsaken